Hey guys, this is the part 2 of the how to assemble the fuel pump, because somebody asking for English version for assembling fuel pump. This is the English version. So this is the pump head. The pump head have a two bulb. The delivery bulb. This is the non-return bulb. It's the non-return bulb going on this hole like this, and the delivery bulb.
So guys, one pieces of wood. Like that.
Here. Check there. Down. See? Kita mo? Kita mo?
Cylinder liners.
This is the delivery bulb. Delivery bulb
What?
like this position. Yeah. And then going like this. The spring is down, and then this one is on the top. This non-return bulb, the bulb is down, and then the spring is on the top. And this element, pump element, this is the up, this is the down o-ring, and the position of this two o-ring is like this, or this sealing ring. The o-ring must be in the middle, like this. And the control sleeve with the fuel rack, we have the pointer, but this is the fuel pump timing. This position like this. Now in the middle, yeah, you can see, you see, this is the control sleeve on the fuel rack, like that. And this is the lower spring retainer, and the upper this is the sealing for the upper spring retainer, or the upper retainer. And this is the plants, this o-ring, this plant going there, and this another o-ring from in this side. And this one, the piston for the emergency overload trip. This is the position of the o-ring. This one. Okay. And then after, I will show you the how to assemble the pump element on this side. And this one, this big o-ring is coming from here, on this side. After, I show you how to assemble. Okay, stop.
Lagyan na bahasa rin.
So guys, this is the continuation of the how to assemble a fuel pump. Okay. This is how we put already the o-ring, all the o-ring, and then this pump, this element will be connected to the to this pump head. We connect this to the pump head like this. Like this. We have the dowel, 2 dowels must be put on the same, but you cannot get wrong because if you get in the wrong position of the hole, it will not fit on this one, on this pump head. It will not fit. This is the technique. And then we connect one bolt. Just to keep the barrel or the plunger, just to keep the plunger not to separate, not on the pump head. So,
Kailan?
sana yung ano dito? Alin dito? So guys, we can put down now the plunger and connect all the bolts, these small bolts. Tapera niya lang, isa pa. Wala na isa dyan lang.
Ba't tumami ko?
Dala mo dyan sa ano? Bakit walang?
Marami ko.
Ha?
Naging 6 ko. Ay, tama ko na. Kulang na isa.
Kulang na isang ano.
Yan na, dalawa.
Okay guys, this is ready to connect now. Now we connect this lifter. Ha?
Bakit ko lang?
Ha?
Bakit ko lang? Meron ba?
Pilit lang. Pinadiray sa kama.
Ay.
Okay,
Oh,
guys.
sorry.
Ito na yung pag-connect dito. This is the slot that connected to this slot must be on this dowel. Somebody request English version.
It's true?
Yeah. Okay. Down. Minor. Down. This one. Down. Okay, baba mo. So, you see this position now. This position. See? So it was already there. So that is the position now of this pump head that connected to the plunger. And then after we put the so guys.
Nanap ni Epe. Si Epe.
Oh,
Nanap ni Epe. Meron daw sa kabila niya.
this is the fixing bolt, and this small one is the fixing bolt for the plunger. This one for the fuel pump. Sana yung ano mo dyan? Kano yan? M100. So this is the first one to tight this fixing bolt for the plunger. Ha? Sige. So 100, we put first 100 and then the last. Pasok mo lang ko diyan dahil ano, this is the 100. English. Now this is English now, so that you can check. You English version. Ano? Hanapin mo siya dyan. Mga bata na to. Hindi pa rin matuto. You see? Kita mo? Pakita mo yan ngayon sa anak mo. Ito din trabaho ko doon ako.
Siyempre, panood ko na. Naka-subscribe na ako.
So now we put the final torque 125 Newton meter. This is, see, 125 Newton meter. 125. This is the final torque now. Ito na yung ano. Now this one, this is 150 Newton meter, the fixing bolt for the fuel pump from the pump. This is 150 Newton meter. Now we try first with 125 for the first torque, and then we transfer to 150 Newton meter. Okay, this is the next is final. The next is 150 Newton meter. Okay, 150. This is the final torque now. Then the next is we need to put this fuel rack. This one, we need to put this fuel rack. Connect this one. Connect mo. Okay, connect mo.
Ayaw.
Kunting ano. Ito lang oh. The stopper for the fuel rack. Ito na dyan, isa dyan. Tara din mo. Okay, balik tayo. And then this control sleeve, this yellow mark must be put on the two dot on this fuel rack. Yep, the two mark that I put. You can see on the first with the video there that this yellow mark is the control. This is the timing. Connected to the yellow mark down. See? You see that one? That yellow mark. See? That is the position of this control sleeve and the fuel rack. Okay. Okay. That's the position. And the next one was this is the upper spring retainer with this, sometimes they call the what we call this this is the upper spring retainer. After that we connect the we put some oil. Sometimes we put oil because Not sometimes, but most of the time we put oil, because when we assemble, we don't know how when we put on the engine, when we can use. So we need to put oil just to control the not become rusty after. Not to become rusty. Yung bearings. So we put the two spring, the one small, one big one. And then we assemble the barrel together with the upper lower spring retainer connected to the this one connected to this, and this piece is connected there like this. And then we put the circlip. Okay, so this is ready now to put on this barrel connected to the, and don't forget this slot is on position of this control sleeve marker. This you see this small marker. This one, this you have the small mark, and this position of the seam on the control slip. When we put on the, if we assemble now like this. So this one is position now. Yeah. This position, you see the position is down. Okay. Now we put the special tools to push the spring. Okay. This is the special tools. Now we push. Ganda pala yung holder ko ah. Until the groove for the bigger slick circlip. This is the bigger slick circlip. Okay. Okay, that's in position now. That's the position now. Okay, release the special tools. Release na, Jill. And the next is this plants. These plants connected here. These plants like this. Okay. With four bolts. Okay. Yeah. That's it, guys. And the last one, we need to connect this piston for the overload trip. This overload trip on the fuel rack. That is have emergency. They put this overload trip using emergency stop. That to make the fuel rack pushing to zero. This is the last one. Now like that. Ano isa dyan? So that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, likes and share on my YouTube channel. That's it. The pump is ready. Only some connection outside, some connection left. The cooling, low oil cooling, and this drain. This drain that we cannot put when we need to lift up this one. We need to lift up the. Okay, that's all, folks. See you on my next vlog for the in this starting valve, injectors, and
Assembly. Isa lang sa rin.
after we assemble the cylinder. Okay, ciao. Grazie ragazzi. Also this one, we forgot something. Also this one we change from this. We change this erosion plug. This erosion plug. This we change also. This is new already. This erosion plug. After I will put the fixing wire. Okay, now the pump is ready. We connect this one, and also this one. Almost forget the lock. They have one small circlip inside. See, kita mo. And this one we gonna find. It was in the engine. So guys, that's all. This is the ready fuel pump now. This is the ready fuel pump. Oh, kaway dyan. Kubiron namin kubiron.